If you've been bored and unsatisfied with your go-to healthy lunches, check out this creamy, crunchy, smoky avocado sandwich. It comes together in about 10 minutes. It doesn't involve cooking, and the two secret ingredients make it taste super indulgent and satisfying. Hi, I'm Kat. Welcome to my kitchen. Our first secret ingredient is this delicious smoky white bean spread. Rinse 1 can of Great Northern beans until you don't see any more bubbles. Add those to your food processor. Add in a teaspoon of smoked paprika, about a half tablespoon of a nice quality olive oil, or a little bit of bean juice if you're oil-free. Add in 1 teaspoon of maple syrup and about a half teaspoon of salt. Use the pulse function of your food processor to chop that up. Then turn it on, scraping the sides down occasionally to make a smooth paste. Believe it or not, making that spread was the hardest part of this recipe. Now we just have to slice up our beautiful vegetables that will make up the majority of the sandwich and put it all together. Start by chopping up some delicious lettuce. I love to use romaine. Chop it into small strips. You could also use spinach for this recipe, or arugula if you like it. Next, cut a ripe avocado in half. Remove the stone. Remove the avocado flesh from the skin with a spoon, and then slice it into narrow pieces. If you're not used to working with avocados, you know they're ripe when you press your finger into the bottom and it goes in gently. But do not go through the grocery store pressing all the avocados because you will bruise them, and that is not cool. Also, Hass avocados, their skin gets darker when they're ready, but that's not true of every avocado. Then take a beautifully fresh tomato and slice that into nice thin slices. This recipe is extra good in the summer because tomatoes are in season and they're super fresh. Finally, we're gonna dice up 1 radish into thin little discs. You wanna use good bread for this sandwich. I'm gonna use fresh ciabatta. Remember, your food is only as good as your ingredients. I always advocate for getting your vegetables from the farmer's market because they're gonna be fresher and tastier. To put our sandwich together, I'm gonna put a generous spread of that delicious smoky white bean spread on both sides of my bread. Then I'm going to put some lettuce, a little bit of that beautiful sliced tomato. Make sure you add a little bit of salt and pepper at this point, some radish discs, that beautiful creamy avocado. The second secret ingredient is a dash of everything but the bagel seasoning, which adds extra spice and flavor to this delicious sandwich. And then put your sandwich all together. I got the idea of this sandwich at Erewhon, which is a fancy natural foods market where I live, but this is a fraction of the price, and I think mine actually tastes better. So say goodbye to your boring lunches and make this avocado sandwich for your next lunch. If you want to take it somewhere else to go, like an outdoor movie, I love to wrap it in a whole wheat lavash bread. Remember, the better your ingredients, the better the sandwich. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, hit that thumbs up button and subscribe, or check out my other easy plant-based recipes. And I hope to see you next time on Kat's Vegan Kitchen.